Hi, Aiden. Ashley, go down the slide.
Okay.
Emmy, go down the slide.
Mommy. Okay. Come on,
I totally missed him going down. I missed him.
Oh, honey.
That's okay. We'll get him the next time. Come on.
Be careful.
Snow. Snow.
Ready? Here it goes. Here goes Ashley. Hey, boot coming off.
Oh no. Ashley. Ashley, you want to see something funny?
Look, Ashley, look at the other slide. Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
Okay.
Look at this one.
That one.
Yeah, go down that slide.
That one. That one.
Come on. Look at it.
Oh.
Come on, Em. Whee! What is all this, Emmy?
Is her boot coming off?
This is hilarious. Oh, here he goes, Daddy.
Hey, beer.
Yeah, shake him out. Go. Go down the slide.
Okay.
Here it goes.
Head that.
Aiden's gonna get that one. Here he goes. Got Aiden. Uh-oh. Oh, here, Mama, now. Come here.
Come on, yeah.
Oh, hold on, Ashley. All right, go ahead, Adie.
Ready, go. Oh, we found a toy.
What was that? That looks like a baseball glove.
Daddy, what is it? Look. Honey.
Well, you keep pointing over there and then you point over here. And she's cute over there.
Argue with me over the camera. Go. What? Oh, no. You boot again?
Well, you better not be throwing snow at me.
What? She's hilarious.
Oh no.
It's like eating her alive. Oh. She's getting sick. You know, you can get pictures with that, you know.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.
Look at you.
Wait. Wait.